Take a look at this 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Carfax has certified this Silverado 1500 as having one owner. This Silverado 1500 has just under 4,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, premium cloth seat trim, LT preferred equipment group, Victory Red, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.42 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing speed flex fuel with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled, wheels, 4/18 inches x 8, 45.7 centimeters x 20.3 centimeters, aluminum, emissions, Arizona, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Interior Plus package, LPO, Deluxe Chrome package, suspension package, off-road and the trailering package, heavy duty. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.